Hello everybody, welcome back to this brand new series Filmora mobile course, and you are watching season 1 episode 2. Do you want to make it big on TikTok? Do you love making dancing videos like this but not getting enough views because everybody is making such videos? So what makes a video special? How to create mesmerizing, captivating videos like this?
Give me ice and fire. Oh, what's going on? What did happen to the last 10?
To make your video special on the Filmora mobile, there are some nice cool effects that are actually quite new on the app. So today in this video, I will show you how to use them in your videos and make them special, make them stand out from the crowd. This is Shukesh from Gadgets Portal, and let's get started. On your phone, download and install Filmora Video Editor and Maker from the Google Play Store. If you are using Android, for iOS, you can find the application on the Apple App Store. After downloading, open the app. You can add a new project by clicking here or on the plus icon. Before you import, check a preview. Simply tap and hold for a while. Let's import this video I showed you before. So it has been added to the timeline. Now to add the effects, scroll here and find the effects tab. There you get lots of categories, and under play option you will find the effects I am talking about. Tap anyone to see a preview. These are so cool. Now you can go to effects home by clicking here. There you get all the effects in the play category. Most of these are newly added, like audio visualization, that is, with the bits of your music some awesome effects will be applied, and if you click use, the effects will come to the top in the play category. This one is my favorite. How cool is this? With the power of artificial intelligence, the human is detected and this rhythmic ring is surrounding the person, as you can see. It's so cool. Try it on the Filmora app today. Next, let's check some Streamline Effects, another new effect on the Filmora app. I have imported another video, so you can add a new effect by clicking on the add icon. Go to the play option. So the Streamline Effects are at the top. The effect has been added to a new layer on the timeline, so you can resize it and also tap and hold to move it anywhere so that the effect is applied to that part of the video. Despite being a mobile app, Filmora is a full-fledged video editor. For the next video, I want to apply some shadow effects, which are one of the best on the software. Let's try some of this on this video here. Next new effect on the Filmora app is beam edge, and there are numerous effects you can find here. These effects are so graphics intensive. This one is my favorite. What's yours? It really amuses me how capable is this Filmora app. Another cool new effect on the Filmora app is the halo effect. Once again, it uses AI portrait. The last effect I will show you is the clone effect. This one is the best beyond doubt. Apply this on your dance videos and see magic happen. What's best about Filmora app is the AI is so powerful here. You can do so many things. If you wish, you can replace the effect with a new one just like that. The effect can be duplicated by clicking here so that you can add the effect in multiple places of the clip. Once you are done, click export. You can export your videos to up to 4K resolution, 24 to up to 60 FPS. This is the end of today's episode. If you want to watch the previous or the next episode, check the description for the whole playlist called Filmora Mobile Course. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching.